In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a line graph in Google Sheets and then insert it into a Google Doc. This is a fantastic skill, especially if you frequently work with data and need to share it in a more visually appealing and digestible manner. We'll go through each step carefully to ensure you can follow along with ease. First, you'll want to open Google Sheets and input your data. It's crucial to organize your data clearly, with your labels in the first row and your corresponding numbers below. This layout will serve as the foundation of your line graph, so take a moment to double-check your entries for accuracy. Ensuring your data is correct at this stage will help you avoid confusion later on. Next, once your data is set, go ahead and highlight the cells you want to include in the graph. Take note that Google Sheets will automatically interpret your first row as labels, so include these in your selection. With your data highlighted, look to the top menu bar and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, select Chart. Instantly, Google Sheets will generate a chart for you. Now, it might not be a line graph right from the get-go, but don't worry, we can fix that. Head over to the chart editor that appears on the side. Under the Setup tab, there's a chart type drop-down. Here, you'll find various types of graphs. Select Line Chart, which should change your existing chart into the desired line graph. If you don't see the chart editor right away or accidentally closed it, you can always bring it back by clicking on the chart and then clicking the Edit Chart option. At this stage, you might want to tweak your line graph to make it clearer and more visually attractive. Click on the Customize tab in the chart editor to access various design adjustments. Here you can modify colors, labels, and grid lines to better match the aesthetic or clarity you're aiming for. Don't be afraid to experiment with these settings. Once your line graph looks just right, it's time to move it into your Google Doc. To do this, click on the graph to select it, then press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. With your graph copied, open the Google Doc where you want to insert the graph. Place your cursor where you want the graph to appear, then press Ctrl+V to paste it. Google Docs will give you two options: link the chart to the spreadsheet or paste it unlinked. Linking keeps the graph in your document up to date with changes from the spreadsheet, which is a real time saver if you expect to modify your data frequently. And there you have it, a seamless integration of a line graph from Google Sheets into your document. This powerful combination enhances reports, presentations, and summaries by providing clear, dynamic visual data. Enjoy exploring your data with newfound creativity and clarity.